Going for a walk without the kitty cat because I need it after all the driving I did today. And yes, it's okay to leave the kitty in the van. It's insulated in there. He can have a nap, chill out. And as this is a popular walking spot, I am likely to come across dogs. Well, I have already. This is the Warrego River. There's a lovely walking track along here in Charleville. They've even got exercise equipment. It's good to see. I like to use that sometimes, mindfully of course. The Feldenkrais way, slow and smooth.